Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
شو هالحكي
is a Levantine Arabic expression meaning what is this talk? It's used to express surprise, disbelief or amazement, either positively as in flattery or negatively to reject or question what was said.
شو هالحكي شو هالحكي شو هالحكي شو هالحكي شو هالحكي شو هالحكي
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.